What's up, y'all? My name is Trell Meeks. I'm from Los Angeles, California, and I am way in Istanbul, Turkey right now. And it is so great to be out here. I've probably been waiting on this probably about a decade because I've been feeling kind of ugly and looking kind of crazy, but I made sure I traveled 14 hours to get this procedure and this procedure with the correct doctor that performs on, you know what I'm saying, African American hair. You know what I'm saying? He really does his job. He really does. So we really researched him all the way down to the T, and thank you. I can't thank him enough. But you know, once we contacted him, he made sure we was okay. Everything was all right. He made sure he took care of travel for us, flights for us, hotels for us. He made sure we got our ride from the airport, and our ride from the airport was super crazy. You know what I'm saying? Let's just get that out of the way. It was a Maybach van. We really loved it. So if you ever want to contact him, oh my God, you guys should. I really recommend these people because, man, they are excellent. First of all, how do you pronounce your name? Because I just said these people.
Dr. Caymaz.
Dr. Caymaz. Caymaz.
Yeah.
Dr. Caymaz is the man. You know what I'm saying? If you want to come down here, Dr. Caymaz is the person you should be getting in contact with. I'm letting you guys know. But for me, once you see me, make sure you follow me, make sure you pay attention, because I'm going to be giving you guys updates all year for the next 6 to 12 months to make sure you guys let you know my process. But other than that, thank you very much. And yeah, let's get it started.